Ross. Sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, I painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any female. Got a shorty blog, had her texting through the email. Walking right on top, I won't fall, that's a
Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we will be having my 2K special celebration. So thank you guys all so much for 2,000 subscribers. It is crazy to think about. We barely hit like 1,000 2 weeks ago, and now we are already at 2,000 subscribers. And yeah, so we're gonna have a house party down at the mansions. We'll probably have some barbecue grilling, and we'll probably have a party. We do have a lot of cars out today, a lot of hypercars and supercars. There's already a crash there with the Koenigseggs, but yeah. So there are actually quite a lot of Koenigseggs here today. We have like 5 of them or something. But yeah. So what's it called? We are gonna head down to the mansions right now, and there should be a lot of people coming. But yeah, I'll see you guys once we get down to the mansions. As you guys see, we have a lot of supercars and hypercars out today. Alright, so guys, we are almost at the mansions right over here. So we are gonna have a barbecue grilling in the backyard. But yeah, here we are at the mansion neighborhoods over here. And that guy literally just crashed into the tree. But here we are at the mansion neighborhoods. There are gates here, but I do live here, so it should automatically open. There we go. So I do live over here in Coconut Lakes. Here we are. And my house is actually over here. So let's just close the garage. I don't think we're gonna use the garage today. I think we are just going to park in the front here. Wait, hold up, I'm gonna back up. I think I'm gonna back up, park like this instead. There we go. There we go, guys. We do have some people arriving so far here. We have 2 Koenigseggs, 3 actually. We have a McLaren over here, we have a Veyron, and we have a McLaren P1 over here. Very clean car. Really like the look of the McLaren. But yeah, we do have a lot of nice cars out today. As you guys can see, there are lots of Koenigseggs. Let's see if anybody else is coming. I think there are more people arriving, but not sure where they are. Let's see. Yes, I don't see anybody else coming, but they should be coming later on. Here we do. Yeah, we do have somebody here. We have a Lamborghini coming there. And we have a Porsche right there. And another Koenigsegg. Very nice. We do have somebody else arriving there. A white Nissan GTR. But yeah, I'm pretty sure more people are gonna come later. But yeah, we do have quite a lot of cars out today. Everybody can park on the driveway. If there is no parking, if there's not enough parking spots, they could probably park on the side of the road. Say that, everyone. Park on the driveway. On the side. On the curbs. Oops. Alright, as you guys see, we do have some pretty nice cars out today. We do have a Porsche here, very nice looking car. And we do have a nice looking Lamborghini here, very poppy color. But yeah, everyone. Right, everybody is good to come in. Here, everybody should be coming. So, as you guys see, we do have a lot of cars out today. Very nice cars. A lot of cars here at the driveway. Very nice. But yeah, thank you guys so much for 2,000 subscribers. I would not be here if it weren't for you guys. But yes, thank you guys all so much for the support. It's very crazy to think about how much we have gained over like 2 weeks or so. We already got 2,000 subscribers. Last week we just hit 1K like 2 weeks ago or something, but yeah, we now have 2,000 subscribers. Now we are on our road to 3,000 subscribers, which is very crazy to think about. But yeah, I think now we're gonna go back and start grilling barbecue. But yeah, alright. So, very nice house. I've just purchased this home too. Very big home. It costs around $700,000 here in Southwest Florida. But yeah, let me grab the meat out of the refrigerator here, and let me see. I think I'm also gonna grab this piece of bread. Because see if anybody wants any bread. Do have some fruit here. This guy says nice house. Yeah, this is for sure a nice house, guys. Pretty large sofa there, but we do have a jacuzzi here for anyone who wants to swim in there or chill in there. But let's start grilling here. I'm on grilling duty. Cool there. As you guys see, yeah, so let's start grilling this. Forgot to marinate it, but I think it's good. Also, we do have some Wagyu steak that I bought online a couple of like a week ago or something. But yeah, the A5 Wagyu is very good. You don't really need to marinate it or anything. You see, we do have enough for everybody. So for anybody who wants it, I think I spelled Wagyu wrong, but I mean it's fine. So yeah, ooh, we do have a couple of new cars here, guys. Very nice. We do have a Porsche 911 there. They just came. But yeah, everybody has parked their cars in the driveway. We do have a lot of people chilling in the front of the house here. Very cool. But yeah, this is a very nice neighborhood and one of the safest in Southwest Florida. Everybody's just chilling in the front right now. But yeah, we do have a dirt bike here, and we do have a black Supra over here. Very nice car. But yeah, so let me actually go check if the meat is ready. We do have somebody upstairs. This guy was sleeping up there, but I think the steak should be ready. Here we are. Let's go pass it out to everybody in the front here. Let me announce to everybody that the steak is ready. Alright, we have everybody here. Let me pass it out. Here you go. Everybody can get a plate. We have enough for everyone. Nobody will starve here. We have enough steak for everybody. So yeah, everybody could enjoy that. And we do have another car pulling up here. We have a Veyron there. But yeah, do have my garage here. I may be getting a Tesla soon. We do have a Tesla charger over here. But yeah, I think we're gonna park in there. Ooh, we do have another car pulling up. We have a Zenvo here. Very clean car. That car is actually very quick. I used to own one of those, but I sold it for the Koenigsegg. But yeah, this is a very nice house that I've purchased. This is recently purchased, so I still haven't checked out everything. in this house, but so far it looks like a very nice house. And everybody is enjoying the steak. This guy's doing like, this guy's speeding through the neighborhood enjoying his ride. And this guy's late, but you're fine. You're good. Guys want to go for a cruise? Sure. Now that we've eaten everything, for a cruise, guys. I think we're gonna head down to the restaurant. Oh, down in Seaside. We're gonna head to the restaurant down in Seaside. I heard they had very delicious food down there. They do have soup, they do have rice, they have a lot of different kinds of foods over here down at the restaurant. But we do have everybody coming with us. But yeah, so the restaurant is not too far from here. It's like 20 minutes away, but it is a very nice restaurant to eat at. Have ate there before. Tastes very good. But yeah, I'll take everybody along, and the food is on me. Alright guys, we have just made it to the Seaside restaurant over here. Do have a new car here, the Corvette C8. And everybody has just arrived over here. We have the Koenigsegg's. We have a Nissan GTR doing some donuts over here. That is sick. As you guys can see, this thing is swinging hard. But yeah, we do have the Zenbo. We have another Koenigsegg. Do have a Camry over there. Do have a Porsche and the McLaren P1. Yeah, those cars can swing pretty nice. My Koenigsegg cannot do any donuts, but yeah. Right, I'm gonna tell everybody to head into the restaurant. But yeah, let's head into the restaurant right now. Grab our food. Over here we do have some hamburgers. Let me tell everyone can order. But yes, so I think I'm gonna get a hamburger. Because I'm actually down for a hamburger right now. But yeah, got my Seaside burger. This thing is bussin'. As you guys see, we got the burger over here. This thing tastes very good. The bun is pretty crispy and very tasty in my opinion. Really enjoying this Seaside burger here. I think I'm gonna head to the back and check out the view before it gets dark. And man, it is a nice view back here. I think I'm gonna head down to the dock, check out everything down here. But yeah, This is a very nice town. I'm really enjoying living here in Southwest Florida. But yes, I finished my burger. It was a very tasty burger, guys. We may be going on a boat trip soon, who knows. But yeah, let me stand up here. This is a very nice view here. I really enjoyed this restaurant. And yeah, so I think that is gonna conclude this video, guys. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload. Thank you guys so much for 2,000 subscribers, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.
Hey Ross, sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, yeah, painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any females. Got a shorty blog, had her texting through the email. Walking right on top, I won't fall, that's a detail. You can call me or send a text, love. Going solo, but I wish you all the best, love. Now this ain't just perfect timing.